Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now, sit in the driver's seat with the ignition and accessory or on, and confirm battery voltage is stable near 12V. Once done, disconnect any USB or HDMI cables and remove paired phone profiles in the car settings to avoid reconnection issues. Make sure you have the owner manual and a small plastic pry tool ready for trim if needed. This prevents panel damage. You're initiating a soft housekeeping reset sequence, not yet opening the unit. This first step protects saved settings and prepares the system. You now execute the reset. First, try a soft reset. Press and hold the power and volume down buttons together for about 10 to 15 seconds. That clears temporary faults. If the display still misbehaves, go to Settings, then System, then Reset, and choose Factory Reset. Follow on-screen confirmations and note paired devices will be erased. If the unit remains unresponsive, you may perform a hard reset by safely removing trim and disconnecting the 12V feed or battery for 10 to 15 minutes to clear. Once the reset completes, reinstall any trim and reconnect all cables, and then power the car back up. You should see the boot sequence and initial setup screens. Make sure to reconnect Bluetooth and restore presets only after confirming stable operation. If problems persist, check the radio fuse and ground connections and apply firmware updates via USB or dealer utility when available, because outdated firmware often causes glitches. If the display remains blank, don't force components. Contact a qualified installer or dealer for diagnostics and potential.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.